In this video, I'll show you how to see who visited my Facebook profile or how you can see yours as well. So ensure you subscribe and turn on the notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Head over to your Facebook, right? This is our Facebook. Click on your profile. Once you have clicked on your profile, click on your professional dashboard, right? Once you have clicked on it, you're going to see a general overview, right? So you can see in the last 28 days, I got just one view, one profile view, one reach, content interaction 0. So if I click on the see more insights, right, you're gonna be able to see everything, like everything. So in the past 28 days, I think I got just a single profile view, right? So in the last 28 days, just one person visited my profile, one person reached out, right? So this is basically how you can say who visited your Facebook profile, right? If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'll see you on the very next